In this video, we will discuss what is reliability centered maintenance. In short, it is called RCM. Now, to my mind, reliability centered maintenance is a design process. Now, when I talk about design, then people you may get confused, but it is a human effort, human thinking. It involves human understanding, human thinking to create a method or a system by which we can achieve reliability of the equipment that we use in a plant to improve productivity. So it is a productivity tool. Let us be very clear about it that we use RCM as a productivity tool for in a plant. How do we get productivity? First of all, the basic idea is that we should not have any unplanned downtime. That means nothing should happen all of a sudden which will stop the plant from producing anything. It is quite similar to aeroplanes that fly across the skies. Now imagine that a plane that takes off from, say, Kolkata and going to Delhi falls off in midair, then what happens? The consequence of it is simply dangerous. So when we say that we will not have or we don't like to have unplanned downtime, that means no breakdowns in between when we start a machine and when you stop a machine from producing. There should not be a surprise stoppage. In other words, it is called that we are not allowing any bad consequence of a stoppage. A stoppage can have a lot of consequences. First of all, it stops the production, but it can also harm people and it becomes a safety risk to life, human life. Or it can spoil the machine itself, and that is also harming the machine. It is a risk to the machine also. So the basic objective of the design is to stop unplanned downtime, or in normal way, what we say is that to bring unplanned downtime to zero. Thank you.